Guys, today I'm looking at a cool smartwatch offering from Blackview. This is the R3 Pro, and for a fully featured smartwatch for both Android and iOS at a price tag of around £30 at the time this video was made, how does this stack up to the more expensive Apple or Galaxy watches? Find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on that bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, smartwatches. I've got to tell you, I've had a lot of these. Some good, some bad, and some quite terrible. Being a watch collector and having several Swiss watches, I always agonise over the workmanship of a proper watch movement versus a printed circuit board or mini smartphone on your wrist. But being a tech enthusiast, I just can't help myself sometimes and always find myself gravitating to new tech smartwatches. Trust me, I've been buying these things for the last 20 years when they weren't really that smart at all. Now, before we get into it, I've just got to say that Blackview sent me this R3 Pro to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And if you follow my channel, you know that you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So why do we need a smartwatch? Well, I guess if you don't really have a watch at all, it's a good thing to buy. You're going to kind of get to kill two birds with one stone. You get a watch for telling the time, pretty quaint nowadays, and you get the convenience of having phone type apps and notifications on your wrist. So that kind of negates the need to have to get your phone out at all sometimes. But the reality of these devices today means that most of us are really interested in the health apps. We want to monitor our steps, our sleep, our water intake, our exercise, and so on. And maybe we even want to add a few notifications. In comes the Blackview R3 Pro. It's light, bright, and it is packed with health stuff. Oh, and it looks like an Apple Watch. And it'll also connect to Android devices. So that's pretty cool. The R3 Pro is packed with health stuff. It has sleep tracking, water intake, steps, tons of exercises, brilliant battery life. I mean, this thing has been going for like 5 days now and it still has a 50% battery. Oh, and also it monitors your heart as well and does your blood oxygen. I mean, that's pretty cool, right? And it's got tons of apps and tons of watch faces, and it costs around £30. £30. I mean, I reviewed a similar smartwatch recently which pretty much had the same features and I thought it was cheap at £40, but you know what? This is actually cheaper. So let's have a quick look in the box and then we'll have a whiz round the screens. So guys, in the box we have some instructions. We've got a USB-A to magnetic proprietary charging cable. Yeah, more on that charging cable in a minute. And we have the watch itself. It's, it's light. It's pretty light. Oh, I'm moving my microphone there. It's pretty light. It comes with this silicone strap, and it also comes with a NATO strap as well, or something that Apple refers to as a sport loop, which is easily removable via these little spring clips. Now guys, back to that cable. Well, I'm going to be honest, I don't like it. Okay, I can forgive the USB-A, but on the other end, the proprietary magnetic connector, it's not good. Okay, it is magnetic, but it's weak, and it kept falling off when moving the watch when I was trying to charge it. Nowadays, we are wireless charging, and this would have been a much better option. But for the price, I get it. I kind of accept that it would make it more expensive. Now, in order to get this working, you will have to download the app to your phone. You can scan the QR codes in the instructions for whatever device you're using. And like I said, this is okay for Android and iOS. scan the code and it will take you to the corresponding App Store or Play Store. Now the app that you need to install is called Glory Fit. Interesting name, but hey ho, this will enable you to start pairing your device. Now I've already done that, and here you can see a lot of the features available to me. There are watch faces, heart rate, body temperature, blood oxygen, and a ton more, including all the notifications from your apps. So that's pretty neat. Remember, this is a £30 watch. You can even make the menu look like an Apple Watch if that's your thing. So let's take a quick whiz around the screen. So first off, you can see the watch face I have shows a bunch of different information. It's got health related stuff like steps, calories, heart rate, blood oxygen, and more. You can also have a list of different exercises that you can choose from, and a bunch of settings including do not disturb and don't wake on raising your wrist. So you can kind of put this on, raise your wrist. Oh look, there's the heart rate monitor going. You can raise this up so that it switches on when you raise your wrist. So a bit like, again, a Galaxy Watch or an Apple Watch or whatever. So like that. I think that's coming onto the camera. Yeah, that kind of thing. So you get the picture, and it looks all right. That's the standard watch face that it comes with. It looks okay. You can also select a number of apps and notifications, including the ability to control music playback, as well as selecting those different watch faces that I talked about, for which there is actually a watch face market store. That's more than what Apple give you, right? Like I said, guys, battery life is good. On standby, this has been going for more than 2 weeks, and with constant use several days, so pretty impressive. So guys, that just about wraps this one up. There are a ton of good things to say about this R3 smartwatch from Blackview. Now, although I still feel, it's a nice face that, although I still feel that this is predominantly designed around fitness and health, this R3 Pro gives you all of the usual notifications and alerts, and when you're being called, it has a pretty powerful vibration on your wrist. Like I said, it's got a ton of built-in apps as well as a ton of features to explore and amazing battery life. And remember, all for £30. So if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them in the comments section below. I'll leave the product descriptions and any discount codes in the description. And guys, if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching. Thanks to Blackview for sending me this R3 Pro smartwatch. I wore this for around 3 weeks solid, and it was comfortable, and the strap didn't burn me like the Apple Watch, the one that I returned a few years ago. And the canvas strap was also nice and comfortable, so win-win. And guys, if you have any questions, you know what to do. And if you like the video, like I said, please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. Guys, I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I'll see you the next time. Bye for now.